Mao ni ang venue sa Olongapo, Shangri-La Mactan, Cebu. While waiting sa photoshoot, muni ang sulod. Nice kayo. Lisa, so pretty. Wow, I love the hair.
Invite ako next winter.
Guwapa ba ni Taylor Swift?
Taylor Swift dahil.
Salamat Pinoon, we will shower them both with so much blessing, favor, and grace.
So, we are currently here sa Shangri-La Mactan, Cebu, kung asa na to i-celebrate ang union ni Jerby and Jaira. So beautiful kaayo oy. First time nako here. Hi! Hi ma'am, boss vlogger. Happy kay ko sa inyo adlaw karon, and I pray na sa inyong kaminyoon, you put God, Jesus, sa center sa inyong relationship. And bisag unsay mahitabo, protect each other and comfort each other in times of hardship. And lastly is, don't forget God sa tanang decision making niyo as husband and wife. And moms, submit yourself to your husband. And Jerby, protect your wife, Jaira. I can't contain man gyud ako feeling karon kay finally amo ang gina pray ni Jaira together with Chacha. Happy ta jud mahitabo. Like today is the day that the Lord has made. And or to happy kay ko, congratulations sa inyong duha. Wow.
Congratulations, Jerby and Jaira!
Busy kayo.